Welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about different types of pregnancy tests. Probably you are worried about pregnancy and you need to do the pregnancy test, but you're not sure which one you should use. Either should use urine or blood, which is one is sensitive based on the duration from your sexual intercourse and the day you want to do the test to confirm or rule out pregnancy. So we're together with Dr. Patrick. Remember to do subscription to our YouTube channel so that we'll continue to do any video we are update to our channel every day. Pregnancy tests can be done either in the urine or blood. So there are two types of pregnancy tests. One use a urine sample, the other one use a sample of blood. So both pregnancy tests detect means the urine and the blood detect the presence of the hormone called human chorionic gonadotrophin. This hormone is produced by the placenta shortly after the embryo attached to the uterine lining and it breathes up rapidly in your body in the first few days of pregnancy. It is this rapid shift in hormone that trigger most of your pregnancy symptoms. Means that those symptoms during pregnancy like nausea, vomiting, they are due to the effect of that hormone human chorionic gonadotrophin. So type of pregnancy, there are urine tests. Urine tests can be performed in two different ways, and this can be performed at home or in a clinic. One way involves collecting your urine in a cup and dipping a stick into the urine or putting urine into a special container with a nail dropper. Another option involves pressing a stick into your urine stream and catching your urine in midstream. So tests vary in how long you have to wait to get a result. You will be looking for a change in color, a line or a symbol like a plus or minus. The newer digital pregnancy test offered by Clearblu makes reading your results simple. The window will either show the words not pregnant or pregnant. All tests come with instruction and it is important that you follow this instruction to get an accurate reading. You can ask yourself how long you should or how soon can I take a urine test. So some doctors or most doctors recommend that you wait until the first day of your missed period before taking your urine pregnancy test. This is usually about 2 weeks after conception. However, some tests are more sensitive than others and can be taken earlier. So how accurate are urine tests? So urine tests or home pregnancy tests are around 97% accurate when done correctly. Home pregnancy tests are great to use because they can be done at home. They are usually low in cost. Anywhere, the cost can vary from $7.9 to $19. Private, they give a fast result and are easy to use. However, if done incorrectly or taken too early, the result can be inaccurate. If you get a negative result or still have symptoms of pregnancy, missed period, nausea, breast tenderness, and fatigue, wait a week and take another test or contact your doctor so you can have a blood test done. The next type of pregnancy test is blood test. There are two types of blood tests. A quantitative blood test measures the exact amount of human chorionic gonadotrophin in the blood, and the qualitative human chorionic gonadotrophin blood test gives a simple yes or no answer to whether you are pregnant or not. Advantage of having a blood test done can detect a pregnancy earlier than a urine test at about 7 to 12 days from possible conception. But if a negative result is received, a test should be repeated if a period is missed. These blood tests can measure the concentration of human chorionic gonadotrophin hormone in your blood. This is useful information for your health care provider in tracking certain problem in the pregnancy. The advantage of having a blood test done, it's more expensive than urine tests. The price also depends on the availability of the laboratory, and it takes longer to get the result, and it must be done, of course, in the doctor's office or in the clinic. So it means if you get a positive result on home pregnancy test, does that mean you are pregnant? So a positive result from a home pregnancy test showed the presence of the human chronic gonadotrophin in your system. So when an egg is implanted in a woman until reigning, human chronic gonadotrophin hormone begins to develop and multiply. This is a sign that you have become pregnant. So we should ask also, if I get negative result on the home pregnancy test, does that mean I am not pregnant? So negative result can mean that you are not pregnant. You took the test too early or you took the test wrong. Pregnancy tests vary in their sensitivity, how soon they can detect the hormone, human chronic gonadotrophin, and you may not have given your body enough time to produce enough human chronic gonadotrophin hormone that will show up on the test. Also, if you let a test sit for too long, the test is invalid. It is best to follow the instruction and wait until you have a missed period before taking the test. Most pregnancy tests become with 2 in a box, and it is a good idea to take both. How soon I can take a home pregnancy test? It is recommended that you wait until you have a missed period to take a home pregnancy test. A missed period is often one of the first signs of pregnancy. If you cannot wait for that long to find out and you know that the day you may be conserved, then the earliest you can take the test within 14 days. Welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about different types of pregnancy tests. Probably you are worried about pregnancy.